I'ma sound so damn fly. I get paid by fly, making money cause I fly, and my bike so fly. Why you think I keep it decked? Why you think I keep it right? I'ma ride till I die, I'ma ride till I die. I spend so much money on my bike, it's out of sight. Black rims, gold hubs, and the carbon pipes. Got my bike looking loud, nah, it ain't polite. When I pull up to the track, I got the best bike. Looking hard as fuck, I call that shit a Western Pike. When I Instagram it, yeah, I'm getting hella likes. Spend more money on my bike than you gon' make until you die. You probably gonna tell your friends.